Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Pacific Education, where we talk about all things related to language learning and education. In today's video, we are going to be discussing effective habits for improving your English language skills. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, there are always ways to improve your English skills. By developing effective habits and practices, you can boost your vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking skills, and become more confident and fluent in English. Here are some effective habits that can help you improve your English skills. Read extensively. Make it a habit to read as much as possible in English, whether it's books, newspapers, magazines, or online articles, even novels. This will help you to improve your vocabulary, grammar, and overall comprehension. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watching English movies and TV shows is a great way to improve your listening and comprehension skills, as well as learn new vocabulary and idioms. Listen to English podcasts and audiobooks. There are many excellent English language podcasts and audiobooks available on a wide variety of topics. Listening to them can help you to improve your listening skills and comprehension. Practice writing. Make it a habit to write regularly in English, whether it's journaling, writing emails, or blogging. This will help you to improve your grammar, spelling, and overall writing skills. Speak English regularly. Find opportunities to practice speaking English regularly, whether it's with a language exchange partner, a tutor, or friends and colleagues who also speak English. Use English language apps. There are many English language apps available that can help you to practice grammar, vocabulary, and other language skills. Join online communities. Joining online communities, such as English language forums or social media groups, can help you to connect with other learners and native speakers, as well as provide opportunities to practice your writing skills. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to developing good habits to improve your English skills. Try to incorporate these habits into your daily routine and you'll see improvement over time. Thanks for watching this video on effective habits for improving English language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more language learning tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy learning!